3, 2, 1.
Who is the first actor/actress to win an Oscar for playing a member of the opposite sex? The answer is B. Linda Hunt. The most widely spoken language in Africa is? The answer is B. Swahili. What is the famous shoe style with a platform sole and a stiletto heel? The answer is D. Pumps. Which U.S. state is known by the nickname the Gem State? The answer is B. Idaho. Which programming language is used to create a website's client-side script? The answer is C. JavaScript. In a right triangle, what is the ratio of the lengths of the hypotenuse to one leg? The answer is C. 512. What is the name of the meteorological phenomenon where water droplets freeze onto each other to form snowflakes? The answer is D. Nucleation. The pungent odor and biting taste of garlic are caused by which of the following chemical elements? The answer is C. Sulfur. In which book does Salam in Islam appear? The answer is D. 1001 Nights. Who is the main character of The Catcher in the Rye? The answer is A. Holden Caulfield. Which plant makes opium? The answer is C. Poppy. What type of change has occurred when a copper penny changes color? The answer is B. Chemical change. Hurricane season for the Atlantic Ocean lasts from June to November. Which factor makes an Atlantic hurricane less likely to form during the month of March? The answer is B. Cool ocean waters. Most tattoos on a body in an hour. Who holds this record? The answer is D. Contestant. Who has Lorelai not been in a relationship with in the series Gilmore Girls? The answer is B. Taylor Deuce. What type of pasta is tortellini? The answer is A. Stuffed pasta. Which organ is responsible for insulin production in humans? The answer is C. Pancreas. What is the name of the informal association of people who can trace their ancestry to the original Virginian colonists from England? The answer is D. First Families of Virginia. Plants and algae maintain the atmosphere during photosynthesis. They add oxygen and remove what? The answer is D. Carbon dioxide. What changes on the dog every time you go to a different poodle parlor in the video game dog's life? The answer is C, his collar. What does Maundy Thursday, also known as Holy Thursday, commemorate? The answer is C, the Last Supper of Jesus Christ with the Apostles. How many ecosystems does the Earth contain? The answer is B, a copious amount. Which is the hardest natural mineral? The answer is A, diamond. What is the name of the girl that Leonardo DiCaprio's character falls in love with in Titanic? The answer is A, Rosemary. How many hours are there in a leap year? The answer is C, 25. What is the cloud storage service launched by Google in 2007? The answer is B, Google Drive. What is the name of the toy cowboy in Toy Story? The answer is A, Woody. Which architect is known for designing Le Corbusier's 5 points of architecture? The answer is A, Mies van der Rohe. What is the largest number in the Fibonacci sequence with less than 5 digits? The answer is A, 13. Which constellation contains Polaris, also known as the North Star? The answer is B, Ursa Major. What year did Monty Python's Flying Circus debut on the BBC? The answer is D, 1969. What controls the opening to the airway and gut? The answer is D, mandible. Who set the record for longest hair on a woman? The answer is B, Aissatou Diallo. Which one of these poems was written by American modernist poet T.S. Eliot and describes his feeling of depression and pessimism about society after World War I? The answer is C, The Hollow Men. During which mission do Edmund Duke and Phoenix die? The answer is A, True Colors. Which device is used to determine the volume of a liquid? The answer is B, graduated cylinder. To what kind of capital punishment was Joan of Arc condemned? The answer is A, burning at the stake. What is the term for an upholstered chair with no arms or backrest? The answer is C, chaise longue. What is an adjustable wrench often used for? The answer is D, turning bolts and nuts. How on earth are you ever going to explain in terms of chemistry and physics so important a biological phenomenon as first love? Exclaimed which great scientist of the 20th century? The answer is B, Albert Einstein. Who played the role of Kitty Russell on CBS show Gunsmoke? The answer is B, Amanda Blake. In what California area was the 1982 film Poltergeist primarily shot? The answer is C, Acara Hills. The sun emits energy in the form of what? The answer is B, electromagnetic radiation. What late-night television host was born in Corning, Iowa? The answer is C, Johnny Carson. Which is the only mammal that can lay soft-shelled eggs? The answer is A, platypus. What is the only light that humans can see? The answer is A, visible light. What color is the Mona Lisa's dress? The answer is D, gray. What constellation contains the star Sirius? The answer is A, Orion. The basic fabric of most biological membranes is a double layer of and other lipids. The answer is D, phospholipids. The smallest angle that measures 90 degrees is